So today we continue with possessive nouns. And remember, possessive nouns shows ownership. So it shows who it belongs to or what it belongs to, because it could be a common noun or a proper noun. So today I have some examples here with possessive nouns that end with S. So these nouns end with S. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the examples. I have the class whiteboard. So who does the whiteboard belong to? The class. So the noun here is class. As you can see, class is one. It's a group. However, this word is in the singular form. Okay. So to turn this into singular possessive, it already ends with an S. So what will I do? If the noun is singular, you will go ahead and still add the apostrophe S. And when we read this out, we will say the class's whiteboard. So we will go ahead and still add the apostrophe S and say the class's whiteboard. Let's take a look at this example. Mrs. Parks' book. So her name, who does the book belong to? Mrs. Parks. So Parks. So I'm going to underline her name, right? Mrs. Parks. So her name ends with an S. It's not plural. That's her name. It ends with an S. So what will I do to change this to the singular possessive form? I will still go ahead and add my apostrophe S. And when I read this out, I will say Mrs. Parks's book. Okay, let's go on to the third example here. The princess shoe. Who does the shoe belong to? The princess. So again, princess ends with an S. This is a singular noun. It's a common noun. So there's one princess and she has a shoe. So how could I change this? I could say the princesses with the apostrophe S still. The princess's shoe. So when I read it out, I will say the princess's shoe. Even though we're adding an apostrophe S, we will still read it out as if there's an ES there. So the princess's shoe, Mrs. Parks's books, the class's whiteboard. Now let's move on to here. This is one of the regular ones that do not end with S. So the boy bike. Who does it belong to? The boy. So boy is the noun here, the singular noun. And to make this into the possessive form to show who it belongs to, we will say the boy's bike. The boy's bike. Full stop. So these are a few examples. Now you will go ahead and practice singular possessive nouns on page 22, page 2 and a 2 in your exercises in English. So go ahead and take out your exercises in English and practice on page 22 with singular possessive nouns.